Good morning, friends. I am Maruti Sulikeri, English lecturer. Today we shall discuss the BCom second semester syllabus. In your syllabus, you have three sections. First one prose, second one poetry, third one language activity or grammar section. In per section or prose, you have four lessons. The first lesson is a room 10 by 8 written by K.S. Daggal. And second lesson spoken English and broken English written by G.B. Shaw or George Bernard Shaw. And third lesson forgetting, a lesson written by Robert Lind. And fourth lesson my greatest Olympic prize written by Jesse Owens. These are the four lessons in prose sections in prose section. Next one, second section, poetry section. In poetry section, you have four poems. The first one, The Chimney Sweeper, a poem written by William Blake. The second poem, Dover Beach, the poem written by Matthew Arnold. The third poem is Lady Clare, a poem written by Lord Tennyson. The fourth poem is The Vagabond, a poem written by R.L. Stevenson. These are the four poems in poetry section. The third section, grammar section or language activity. In language activity or grammar section, you have six aspects. In first aspect or the first aspect is or the first section in language, use of possessive adjectives and pronouns. The second aspect is correction of sentences. The third aspect is use of negatives. The fourth aspect is in grammar, framing questions. In framing questions, you have WH questions and yes or no questions. The fifth one, welcome address and vote of thanks. It means you have write a welcome address and write a vote of thanks. Yes, in sixth section, report writing. You have report writing. In report writing, you have report on tour. You have to write report on tour. And second one, it means in report writing, you have to write a report on student activities. And third one, in report writing, you have to write a report on news. This is report writing. Okay, this is your syllabus. And now we shall discuss the question pattern. Okay, 50 marks and 50 marks relating to text, it means prose and poetry, and 30 marks grammar. Okay, in 50 marks, 25 marks ask on prose section and another 25 marks ask on poetry section. Yes, in 25 marks or in 50 marks, 10 mark one question. It means 1 mark question out of 5 questions from prose and 5 questions from poetry, 10 marks. 1 mark ಇನ್ನು 10 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪೊಯೆಟ್ರಿ ಒಳಗೆ 5 ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಪ್ರೋಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ 5 ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ 10 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ 1 ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 2 ಫ್ರಮ್ prose section. You have to write 1 out of 2 from poetry section. 10 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿನ 2 ಕ್ವಶನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋಸದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಪೊಯೆಟ್ರಿದು ಎರಡೆರಡು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ 5 marks question. You have to write 2 5 mark questions out of 4. Next, you have to write 2 out of 4 in poetry section. Okay, this is 50 marks, and remaining 30 marks related to grammar. In grammar you have 6 topics. In 6 topics you have 5 5 questions in each topic. Okay, this is your syllabus and question paper pattern. Thank you.